Alright, hello guys, this is a voice reveal. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a simple obstacle course, like all the settings and all, and that's it. It's not like complex, like a Sizer's Deathrun or something, or however they pronounce his name. I don't watch him much. But it's Scissors, isn't it? Yeah. But yeah, this is a Season X version, so later in the future, if you want another one, then I'll make another one for like season 12 or whatever it is. Future. I use the Meadow Islands and all that stuff for my other one, but you can use a grid island. I would not recommend using Kevin Floating Island, the volcano, the sandbar, all that stuff. I would not recommend. You can use Wasteland Island too, but I'd recommend like a flat, not like anything else. Just like grid island or block, whatever. You can name it whatever, like Deathrun 69. And yeah, just hit select. And it should teleport you in because you're like in range, so. So now that you're in the game, here's your grid, right? And what you want to do is obviously get your phone up and hit I. So right now you really just want traps, so you can get as many traps as you want. For a simple one, just like checkpoints and player spawns. I'm just teaching you how to make like a trap one. So I'm gonna speed it up while I build the thing. Alright, so here we are. You want to put your player spawn thing right here, wherever. And I don't know why it's not showing zeros for me. This is an item spawner. I'm really sorry. That is not a player spawner. This is a player spawner. You want to put your player spawner right here. You can give them like a space right here. Boom, and now have a checkpoint right here. So they'll do the little thing like shh, and all the traps come out, and then they'll come to the spawner and it'll checkpoint like that. You can customize whatever you want. For visible during game, you can have it off, but I would recommend having this on and having visible during game on this off over here, so that you can't see where you spawn from, but you can see when you get a checkpoint. But honestly, I've seen people do it before with the invisible checkpoints, so you can do whatever. So now we got all this stuff done, but you can still break during game and all. You can still break all this stuff, and you can break out, and you can build around and kill people and all that stuff. So this is just like a test block kind of thing, which you don't want. You want an obstacle course that's all like put together. So we're gonna go to my island over here, and we're going to go to game settings. Not game, but game settings. Time of day, I would set that to around 1 p.m. And so max health, I would do really low, like 1, so they can't really, what is it? Like not die to traps. So don't put them as like immortal or something. Starting shield, empty shield, it's already, and you don't really have to do like shields here, as long as you don't have siphon on and somebody does some crap like that. Infinite ammo off, infinite resources off, maximum building resources, nobody cares about this, but turn it down just in case if you want to. Harvest style, turn that to battle royale. Allow aim assist, not really, you don't have to. You can leave it on if you want, but there's no need. Here's allow building, turn that off. Allow to edit, default, as long as you don't have somebody that has edits on. Building can destroy environment. If you want to do some crazy like contraption that you break something and it resets everything, then sure. But if you like don't do that and have something like ramp, it'll break it. Anyways, you know what I mean. Environment damage, just whatever. Building damage, I'd have that. That's fine. That's all whatever. Weapon damage, have that at 0%. So if you want to have like a little bot that like shoots and you have to like duck under it or whatever, it doesn't break the walls or something. Pickaxe destruction, you want to have that as none. PvP pickaxe damage, you want to also have that as none, because you don't want people killing each other like while they're trying to fight, or while they're trying to do the obstacle course. Down but not out, just have that as default. Keep items when eliminated, you can have that as dropped if they want, like if you die or whatever, and they'll just drop like items. Allow items to be dropped, yeah, whatever. Allow item pickup, yeah, if you want to do like an impulse thing. Respawn time, set that really low, like 1 second. Spawn immunity time, you can have that where they can't like run through the traps while they're like, so like basically if you're immune you can run through the traps and not die and finish a level after you die, but but if you have 0 seconds on, there's no cheating basically, so I would have that as 0 seconds. Fall damage off, I would turn fall damage off. Gravity, normal. Jump fatigue, you can have that off because it's kind of dumb. You can have glider redeploy off unless you want like a glider redeploy thing or whatever. You don't need any like death and elimination stuff, and then that's it. And there you go. Now you have yourself a death run, and you can go to my island, start game. You're gonna need a creator code to publish it, so unless you have a creator code. So now it's invisible. You can't break the walls. You can't break out or anything, and you can't build. So. There you go. You got yourself a death run, a little death run, and you can put like a little sign here, like "Good job, you won," or something, or more traps and like bigger like levels and all. But there you go. And then if you die, then you'll respawn at the checkpoint. Now this is kind of like explaining. Like it's easy to make this because like you can just tell by everybody, like all the things like names and all. If you want like a Zone Wars tutorial or like a bigger Death Run tutorial, I can give that to you. I'll just like show you how to make like more traps, have like ice traps and bounce everywhere and all like these huge like Death Runs. But right now I just want to teach you the basic settings and all to like make a Death Run so you can just play with your friends and all. Yeah, that's the video.